Have you ever wondered why some civil engineering firms consistently grow stronger with every project while others struggle to keep up, even with similar resources? Why do certain teams adapt to new technologies, innovate faster, and deliver with confidence while others fall behind? If you have ever asked yourself these questions, you are not alone. Before we go deeper, share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think makes some engineering teams thrive while others stagnate? In today's fast-moving civil engineering world, the ability to strengthen internal expertise is what separates success from survival. Yet the secret to building that expertise does not always come from within. Sometimes it comes from the right collaboration through civil engineering outsourcing. For many years, outsourcing was seen only as a way to cut costs or offload repetitive work. But that view is outdated. In reality, outsourcing has become a strategic approach to build knowledge, develop skills, and strengthen in-house teams. When executed properly, it becomes a living classroom where engineers learn by doing, through real projects and real challenges. When a firm partners with an external team skilled in tools like Civil 3D or InfraWorks, the collaboration creates a natural flow of knowledge. Internal engineers gain exposure to digital workflows, advanced modeling, and global standards that enhance their technical ability. Instead of spending months on training programs, they learn in action working side by side with experts, observing, applying, and improving with each task. This process does more than upgrade technical skills. It shapes the way teams think and communicate. Outsourcing introduces structured workflows, disciplined project management, and quality assurance systems that encourage precision and accountability. Internal teams begin to mirror these standards, leading to better documentation, smoother coordination, and stronger overall performance. Still, one common misconception remains, that outsourcing weakens internal teams or reduces control. The truth is the opposite. Strategic outsourcing frees engineers from time-consuming tasks, allowing them to focus on design innovation, client relationships, and complex problem-solving. It becomes a support system that enhances core expertise, rather than replacing it. At this point, AXA Engineers emerges as a clear example of how modern partnerships can transform the way civil engineering truly works. Built on empathy and understanding, AXA Engineers has become a trusted partner for design firms worldwide by focusing on what truly drives success: people. When engineers are given the right environment, they don't just perform, they thrive. AXA Engineers operates with a philosophy centered on stability, professionalism, and human connection. Rather than simply providing outsourcing services, it builds long-term partnerships grounded in mutual respect and shared goals. Every project is treated as a joint journey, ensuring that communication remains clear, quality remains consistent, and trust remains unshakable. Its recognition as the #1 best workplace in Vietnam represents more than internal success. It reflects a system built to empower engineers, not exploit them. Behind every deliverable is a motivated, experienced team that understands both global standards and the importance of human values. That's why AXA Engineers has become a reliable extension of many international firms seeking not only technical excellence but also peace of mind. The company's approach to quality assurance and data protection sets a professional benchmark for the industry. With transparent communication and robust standards, AXA Engineers ensures that every collaboration is secure, efficient, and seamless across time zones. More importantly, it treats each partnership not as a transaction, but as a shared vision for progress. The future of civil engineering depends on balance. The industry must move away from the culture of overextension and toward one of sustainable collaboration. When engineers are supported by the right systems and partners, they can reclaim creativity, maintain quality, and drive innovation forward. AXA Engineers represents this evolution, a model proving that excellence isn't achieved by pressure, but by purpose. It shows that when people thrive, projects succeed, and the entire industry moves forward. So, the next time a project feels overwhelming or a deadline seems impossible, remember that real progress begins with partnership and understanding. Follow AXA Engineers to discover how purpose-driven collaboration is reshaping the future of civil engineering.